Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So before I get into this video, guys, I do want to thank those who have been watching my videos and keeping up with my videos. It means so much to me. I do want to let you guys know that I will be posting every Sunday if possible, and sometimes on Thursdays if I can. So if you do love my videos and you are keeping up with it, make sure you're subscribing and hitting that notification button so you do not miss out on these videos. I decided to make this video, guys, because I have been asked a few times about how I grew my hair, how I grew my hair long and thick. So I know I did my first video on how I grew my hair from thin to thick, but I actually noticed a lot of more questions about how I grew my hair, and I just wanted to make this video to show you guys pictures and actually show you what I did. And it's actually no secret, guys. I didn't do anything special to my hair. I just actually started learning my hair, and I actually started taking care of it. And I actually stopped putting heat on my hair. That's mainly what I did. I just stopped straightening my hair, and I stopped putting weave in my hair, braids, etc. I know braids are good from time to time, but sometimes it actually does pull on your edges and pull on your hair. And I noticed I personally get a lot of shedding after I put a lot of extensions in my hair. Some people's hair does grow after they do those type of hairstyles, but it doesn't work for me. So when I just actually started just doing low manipulation styles in my hair and just actually doing styles like this, my hair grew tremendously. But that worked for me. It may not work for you, but I just wanted to make this video to inspire a lot of people to say that, hey, my hair did not grow overnight. It wasn't easy. It was a little process, and I had to be patient. So I do want to show you these pictures, guys, just to show some type of inspiration. Like I said, to show you like the struggle was real. My hair did not grow overnight. It's no secret to growth. Like I said, just learn your hair. So I'm gonna just drop these pictures for you. But before I get into that, guys, I know someone said to me that my hair grew because of my daughter. And no, my hair did not grow because of prenatal pills or anything like that. So I'm not sure why that person said that, but I'm gonna drop some pictures down below just in case somebody else thinks that, because my hair has always been curly. My hair has always been long. It's just when I got to 5th grade or 6th grade, I decided to perm my hair because that's what I thought was in, straight hair. Long straight hair, and that actually was not good for my hair. I did not embrace my natural hair, and that was bad on my part. But once I got older, I'm like, I don't care about nobody else. I love my natural hair. So but I just wanted to say that. But let's get into this video, guys, and make sure you're tuning in. So I couldn't find any pictures when I first got my hair permed, but this is a picture from when I was 17 in high school. As you can see, my hair was really thin, and that's because I permed my hair and I dyed it like a few weeks later, and it took a lot of my hair out. So in this picture is when I first got my hair cut with bangs, and I did this style because my hair was really broken off from the last perm I had, so I had to figure out something so it won't look as bad, but this style was no better really. But I had to figure out something in order for it to grow back somewhat better. So my senior year, I decided to get weaved, and I wanted to be cheap, so I went to my friend, and she actually glued the hair to my scalp without a cap on. So just imagine how my hair was. So I decided to cut my hair after high school 2012 because, like I said, when I let my friend glue the hair to my scalp, it actually pulled out a couple of my hair, and my hair was really damaged. So I just decided to cut off a lot of my hair and just start over. So as you can see, I had this short hairstyle going on, and I did that for about 2 years. So here I was back to putting weave in my hair, then back to short hair. I wanted to put weave in my hair because I was tired of short hair, then I was tired of weave. Then I noticed that my hair did not grow with weave because that's what someone told me, because every time I took my hair out of the extensions, my hair was like super thin. So I didn't want to wear my real hair, so then I just decided to just keep wearing weave, and that was actually bad. So I just went through a lot of trial and errors with my hair, really. Okay, so in 2017 is actually when I started to really take my hair serious and actually started to learn my hair and actually get products that work for my hair. I started to wear protective styles, do deep conditioning, protein treatments. So when I did that, that's when I started to notice the difference in my hair. But it did take a little minute to do that. But as I was going through that process, I started to notice a difference in my hair. While I was pregnant, I couldn't do too much with my hair because I couldn't stand the smell of the products too much. So this is basically how I wore my hair majority of the time. So now we are in 2019, and as you can see, guys, my hair has grown tremendously. Like I said before, I didn't do anything special to my hair. I just started to pay attention to my hair more and actually started taking care of it. And once I did that, I seen a lot of growth in my hair, guys, and I love how my hair is now. I love the length of my hair. But I do want to get to waist length hair. That is the next goal. But I do thank you guys for watching.